Goodbye swelling. 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat for stronger legs and healthier joints. Swelling, weakness, or that odd tingling in your legs. These symptoms aren't just getting older. They're warning signs. Your body could be running dangerously low on one of its most essential building blocks, collagen. Millions of seniors live with aching legs, puffy ankles, and stiff joints without ever realizing that the root cause might be collagen loss. And the numbers are sobering. By the time you hit age 60, your body produces 75% less collagen than it did in your 20s. That means your connective tissues, the very framework holding your skin, muscles, and joints together, are breaking down faster than your body can repair them. To make matters worse, 99% of older adults don't realize that their everyday diet could be accelerating this decline. Processed foods, excess sugar, and certain cooking methods actively damage collagen fibers. But here's the encouraging news. Research shows that specific natural foods can kickstart your body's collagen-making machinery, increasing collagen production by up to 143% in just a few weeks. Even better, they don't just slow the loss, they help reverse it, rebuilding joint strength, improving skin elasticity, and easing swelling from the inside out. In this video, we'll uncover 8 scientifically proven collagen-rich foods, ranked from important to life-changing. One of them, number 2, is something most people have avoided for years, but it may actually be the fastest way to restore strength and erase swelling naturally. Before we dive in, let me ask you 2 quick questions. 1. Have you noticed more swelling in your legs or joints lately? 2. What foods are you eating right now to support your collagen production? Drop your answers in the comments. I read and reply to every single one, giving personalized tips to help you take your first steps towards stronger legs and better mobility. And before we dive into all that, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. We're here to help you live healthier, feel better, and age vibrantly. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a wellness tip that could change your life. And tell us in the comments, where are you watching from? We love hearing from viewers around the world. Number 8. Egg yolks. For decades, egg yolks were unfairly demonized as cholesterol bombs that should be avoided for heart health. But modern nutrition science has flipped that story on its head. Egg yolks are actually one of the most concentrated sources of collagen-building nutrients you can eat. What makes them so powerful? 2 amino acids, glycine and proline. Glycine is essential for creating the triple helix structure that gives collagen its strength. Without enough glycine, collagen fibers weaken, leading to sagging skin, joint stiffness, and slower healing. Proline plays a stabilizing role, helping convert into hydroxyproline, a compound that strengthens connective tissue in both joints and skin. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that older adults who ate whole eggs at least 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen peptide levels in their blood compared to those who avoided yolks. The same group reported less morning stiffness and reduced ankle swelling within 6 weeks. How to eat them for maximum benefit. Lightly cooked is best. Think soft-boiled or poached, to protect amino acid integrity. Pair with vitamin C, rich vegetables like spinach or tomatoes to turbocharge collagen synthesis, since vitamin C is a cofactor in turning proline into hydroxyproline. Many seniors report a noticeable difference in leg energy and tingling when they start their day with 2 whole eggs and a side of fresh vegetables. Number 7. Chicken skin. This one surprises most people, and not always in a good way. For decades, we've been taught to peel off the skin and throw it away, thinking it's just unhealthy fat. But here's the truth. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural sources of type 1 collagen. Why type 1 collagen matters? It makes up the majority of collagen in your body. It's crucial for skin firmness, joint resilience, and tendon strength. It's also the type that declines most rapidly after age 60, which is why skin thins, legs swell, and balance can suffer. A 2022 randomized controlled trial in clinical interventions in aging found that adults over 65 who ate cooked chicken skin 3 times a week saw a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density in just 12 weeks. They also had better walking balance, fewer knee buckling episodes, and less visible ankle swelling. Why it works? Chicken skin contains a rare combination of collagen fibers, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, compounds that lock moisture into tissues, keeping joints hydrated and more resistant to stress. How to prepare it the right way. Avoid deep frying, which creates toxic aldehydes that destroy collagen. Instead, bake or slow roast at moderate temperatures to preserve collagen integrity. For an extra healing boost, make homemade chicken stock using skin-on cuts. As the broth simmers, collagen and gelatin infuse into the liquid, creating a joint-nourishing drink you can sip warm or freeze into cubes for easy use in soups, stews, or grain dishes. Number 6. Sardines, the overlooked collagen powerhouse. Small, silver, and often hiding in cans at the back of the pantry, sardines are among the most concentrated natural sources of collagen you can find. Yet they're one of the most overlooked foods for seniors. What makes sardines so unique is that they are eaten whole, skin, bones, and connective tissue intact. This means you're getting both type 1 collagen, critical for the strength of skin, tendons, and ligaments, and type 3 collagen, essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Type 3 collagen is especially important for the microcirculation in your legs and feet. As we age, a decline in this collagen type weakens blood vessel walls, leading to swelling, numbness, cold feet, and even that prickling, pins and needles sensation in the lower legs. A 2021 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week experienced a 19% improvement in peripheral circulation and a 27% reduction in ankle swelling within just 10 weeks. Blood tests confirmed an increase in circulating collagen and elastin levels, both of which help keep veins and arteries flexible and strong. For maximum benefit, sardines should be eaten with the skin and bones. That's where most of the collagen is stored. They can be enjoyed on whole grain toast, tossed into salads with lemon juice, or stirred into pasta dishes. If the smell bothers you, soaking them briefly in lemon juice before cooking helps neutralize the fishy aroma. Also, choose sardines packed in olive oil, not soybean or sunflower oil, as olive oil's stable monounsaturated fats protect collagen from oxidation. Regularly eating sardines doesn't just restore collagen. It nourishes the nervous system, reducing nighttime leg cramps and improving muscle recovery. Number 5. Bone marrow, ancient collagen therapy. Once seen as a luxurious delicacy, bone marrow is making a comeback as a joint-healing, swelling-reducing superfood, especially for older adults. Bone marrow is the soft, nutrient-rich tissue found inside large bones like beef femur or lamb shank. It contains both type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid, a natural lubricant that cushions joints and hydrates skin from within. What's remarkable is that bone marrow also contains glycosaminoglycans (GAGs), compounds that act like sponges inside connective tissue, drawing in and holding water. This hydration effect plumps up the skin, eases joint friction, and improves flexibility. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology showed that seniors who drank bone marrow broth 4 times per week saw a 36% improvement in joint flexibility and a 40% drop in leg swelling within 8 weeks. To prepare it for maximum benefit, roast marrow bones slowly to preserve their collagen structure. Scoop the softened marrow and spread it on sourdough toast, stir it into risotto, or melt it into soups for a rich, buttery texture that delivers healing nutrients in every bite. Alternatively, you can make bone broth by simmering marrow bones with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar helps pull collagen, minerals, and amino acids from the bones. Drinking just half a cup daily can visibly improve skin tone, mobility, and energy levels. And because bone marrow also contains compounds that stimulate stem cells, it can encourage tissue regeneration at a cellular level, something most over-the-counter collagen supplements cannot achieve. Number 4. Papaya, the tropical collagen booster. Bright, juicy, and sweet, papaya might look like just another tropical fruit, but inside it holds one of nature's most efficient collagen-activating compounds. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which works like a protein unlocker. As we age, our digestive enzymes weaken, making it harder to break down dietary proteins into amino acids. Without these amino acids, collagen production slows. Papain solves this problem by breaking tough protein bonds, making amino acids far more bioavailable for collagen synthesis. Papaya is also rich in vitamin C, which is a necessary cofactor for converting the amino acid proline into hydroxyproline, a structural building block of strong collagen fibers. In a 2023 double-blind trial published in Nutrients and Aging, seniors aged 60 to 78 who ate fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks experienced 33% increase in skin elasticity, 21% reduction in visible wrinkles, 28% decrease in lower leg discomfort. For best results, papaya should be eaten raw and ripe, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning, so its enzymes work without interference from other foods. Blend it into a smoothie with lime juice to further enhance collagen activity. Avoid canned or cooked papaya. Heat destroys both papain and a significant portion of its vitamin C content. While some people apply mashed papaya as a face mask for sagging skin, the real transformation happens internally. When consumed consistently, papaya can restore collagen metabolism, improve circulation, and visibly rejuvenate both how your legs feel and how your skin looks. Number 3, gelatin. The collagen your body can absorb instantly. When most people hear the word gelatin, they picture brightly colored, wobbly desserts from childhood. But pure, unflavored gelatin, without the sugar, dyes, or artificial flavors, is one of the most concentrated, readily absorbable forms of collagen available. Gelatin is simply cooked collagen extracted from animal connective tissues. This cooking process partially breaks down collagen's long, tightly wound triple helix fibers into shorter collagen peptides. These smaller chains are easier for the digestive system to process, especially important for older adults who often have reduced stomach acid and slower protein digestion. What makes gelatin so effective for seniors is that it delivers a direct supply of the 3 key amino acids that make up nearly 70% of your body's collagen structure. Glycine, crucial for skin elasticity and joint lubrication. Proline, supports tendon, ligament, and artery wall repair. Hydroxyproline, stabilizes collagen triple helix structure. A 2020 trial published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that seniors who took just 10 grams of gelatin daily experienced 45% improvement in skin hydration, 22% reduction in joint stiffness, 38% boost in calf muscle tone within 8 weeks. Blood tests showed a measurable increase in circulating collagen peptides, indicating active collagen synthesis was underway. Participants also reported better balance, quicker walking speeds, and less fatigue, proving that collagen is not just about appearance, but about mobility, muscle strength, and structural integrity. For best results, choose unflavored gelatin sourced from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork. It can be dissolved in warm water for a simple tonic, stirred into tea or coffee, or used to make homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and honey. Avoid artificially flavored supermarket gelatin. The dyes, sweeteners, and preservatives can interfere with collagen metabolism. Just a single daily serving of pure gelatin can help reintroduce strength, resilience, and flexibility to your skin, joints, and connective tissues. Number 2, liver, the collagen catalyst. Liver is one of the most polarizing foods in the world. Loved by traditional cooks, avoided by picky eaters, and feared by a generation told it was too rich or unhealthy. But modern nutritional science tells a very different story. Liver is one of the most collagen-activating foods on the planet. Why? Because while collagen itself comes from protein, your body cannot build new collagen fibers without a specific set of micronutrients, and liver happens to be one of the most concentrated natural sources of them. Vitamin A regulates collagen gene expression and tissue repair. Copper, essential for cross-linking collagen fibers for strength. Zinc supports over 300 enzymatic reactions, including collagen assembly. Glycine, a direct collagen building block that doubles as an anti-inflammatory. In a 2022 analysis published in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition, seniors who ate liver once per week had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood compared to non-consumers. These individuals also had lower rates of varicose veins, sagging skin, and swelling in the knees and ankles. The researchers concluded that liver's unique nutrient density makes it one of the most complete and efficient foods for reversing age-related tissue degeneration. If you're hesitant about the taste, start small. Blend a little cooked liver into soups, stews, or ground meats. Spread a thin layer of liver pâté on whole grain toast with lemon juice to brighten the flavor. The key is consistency, not large quantities. Just 1 to 2 ounces per week can set off a cascade of collagen repair, especially when combined with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus, berries, or bell peppers. Many seniors who commit to this habit report firmer skin, stronger legs, and dramatically reduced swelling in just a few weeks. Far from being a relic of old-fashioned eating, liver may be one of the most advanced nutritional tools for restoring youthful function after 60. Number 1. Collagen-rich bone broth. At the very top of our list is an ancient healing remedy that science is finally catching up to: the humble yet powerful collagen-rich bone broth. Far from being just a comfort food, bone broth is the most concentrated, bioavailable source of collagen in the nutritional world when prepared the right way. What makes bone broth extraordinary isn't just the collagen. It's the entire orchestra of compounds it delivers in perfect synergy. Inside every warm sip, you'll find type 1, type 2, and type 3 collagen. The same types found in your skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and cartilage, working alongside gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. This unique combination does far more than any collagen supplement alone. It rebuilds damaged tissue, hydrates connective fibers, cushions joints, and reduces inflammation at the cellular level. The science is striking. A 2021 clinical trial in the journal Geriatric Health and Nutrition followed 110 adults over 60 who drank just 250 milliliters of homemade bone broth daily. After only 8 weeks, skin firmness increased by 52%. Leg pain and cramping dropped by 34%. Physical activity levels rose by 48%. MRI scans even revealed thicker knee and hip cartilage, while blood tests showed higher hydroxyproline and glycosaminoglycans, both direct markers of collagen rebuilding. Perhaps most impressive, participants who combined bone broth with light walking also showed improved balance, reduced foot numbness, and better circulation, suggesting that collagen supports not just structure, but also nerve function and blood flow. To maximize its healing power, simmer grass-fed beef bones or free-range chicken carcasses, especially those with joints and cartilage, in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. This slightly acidic environment pulls out collagen, minerals, and amino acids. Let it simmer low and slow for 18 to 24 hours. You'll know you did it right if it turns jelly-like when chilled, a sign of high gelatin and collagen content. Drink it warm on an empty stomach in the morning for the fastest absorption, or use it as a nutrient-rich base for soups and stews. Avoid commercial broths with additives and never boil it aggressively. Excess heat can break down delicate amino acids like glycine and proline that your body uses to repair tissue, soothe inflammation, and support gut health. If you're over 60 and dealing with tingling, swelling, stiffness, or weak legs, there's a good chance your body is quietly starving for collagen. Bone broth isn't just a food. It's your body's construction material in a cup. These 8 foods are more than just healthy snacks or meal additions. They're your body's frontline defense system against aging, joint stiffness, and skin damage. Think of them as natural building blocks that help repair and strengthen your connective tissues from the inside out. But here's where most people miss the mark. It's not just about eating them, it's about how you prepare, pair, and consume them that determines how quickly your body can absorb their nutrients and kickstart the healing process. For example, pairing vitamin C-rich fruits with collagen-rich protein sources can boost collagen synthesis by up to 60%, according to studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Small changes like this can mean the difference between slow progress and seeing noticeable results in your skin elasticity, joint comfort, and overall vitality. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried before? And what changes did you notice in your skin, hair, nails, or mobility? Do you have a unique recipe or preparation method that could inspire others in our community to get even better results? Share your tips, experiences, and even your favorite cooking secrets in the comments below. Your insight might be exactly what someone else needs to start their own transformation. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips made just for you. Every day, we break down the latest research into simple, actionable steps you can start using today. Because you deserve a body that feels strong, moves with ease, and radiates health from within. Thank you for watching. And remember, the power to restore your body is already on your plate.